Hello everyone. Welcome to Next Gen Data Aspirants Community YouTube channel. This is Babu. In this video today I am going to walk you through about May 2026 Power BI updates. Let's go and see what is those. If you see, this is the official Microsoft blog, so where you will get it from community.fabric.microsoft.com. So here if you see, they released this update Power BI May 2026 feature summary. So we will provide this URL in this video description. Kindly go through it. So now what I did, so in this updates, I went through all the updates and I summarized few of the very important updates which would help us in our real time to make work smoother. Let's go and see what is those updates in the action. Now here I am on my Power BI. Okay, here my Power BI desktop. Here the first and foremost option is get data option. So initially what we will do, if I click on Excel workbook, it will open a window here. It will open a window here like this. My local box. So from here we need to select the respective Excel file. Now I'll show you. When I go and click on this get data option, now here if you see, in the home you are seeing some new different user interface experience. Now let me go and click on new. What is this new? When I click on this new, see here the similar kind of user interface which would you have been seen in Microsoft Fabric environment. See, they categorized into databases, files, Power Platform, Microsoft Fabric and so on. So they have categorized. If you click on all, where you will see all 200 plus connectors here, where you would see all 200 plus connectors here. Fine. Now let's see what is this recent data. When I click on recent data, for the past 1 week, I extensively worked on this bike data, finance data, some India crimes data and Tata News sales report. That's why it is showing these are my recent data sources. Fine. Now let's see what is this one lake catalog. Here if you see in this one lake catalog, see here you would find the published semantic models which is in currently by using which user interface I signed in, you will see the respective published semantic models. Now let's go and click on blank table. Here you can see directly, let's say you can go and enter some data here. This is kind of enter data. Previously you will have one option called enter data. Now let me click on blank query. So when you click on blank query, so by using the M language, if you are expert in M language, directly you can go and copy your M language here. This is get data Power Query option. Now here let's go and click on some, instead of Excel work, let me go and take text. Now see, when I see, now here it is showing. Here you can directly, for example, they are showing SharePoint URL. Now what I'll do, let me go and upload, or let me go and try to upload one file from my machine. When I click on here, now let me click on downloads. Here you will see all the CSV files. Directly you can upload this. Okay. Now, so how you can enable this, how you can get this user interface experience? Go to File, click on Options and Settings, click on Options. Now here you can see under Global Settings, go to Preview Features. So here you can see on bottom of List Slicer Visual, you will have one option called New Power Query Experience. You need to check this tick box and you need to restart your Power BI desktop. That's all. Alright. Now let me cancel it. This is the first and foremost update. Fine. Now next. So here if you see, I have 23 pages. Let's say if I publish this into the Power BI services, there are 3 users from 3 countries, India, US and Canada. So those user is opening from India, he is able to see the page 8 as a first page, and those user opened from US, he is seeing page 3 as a first page from their end. And there is a user, she is opening from Canada, she is able to see the page number 3 as a first page. But you need to set a landing page. This is a most awaited cool feature. Everyone is awaiting for this feature. So let's say, let me go to the page 1. Let's assume this is a landing page. Here I have my global bike report. Let's say this is a landing page. See, irrespective of n number of users, anyone from any country is opening my report in services, I would like to set this as a home page. For that, right click on this, set as landing page. See, now here, if you click set as landing page, see, there is a home icon. So this is a home page. See, this is a landing page. This is a landing page. See, this is one way of doing it. And the other way of doing it, let's go to the format settings. So now go to page information. See, page 1 is a set as a landing page. Let me turn off this. Let me go and use the page number 7. Let me turn on this. Now here you can see the home symbol. So this is a landing page. Okay, now let me turn off this. This is one of the coolest feature and most awaited feature. Fine. Now next what I will do, let me go and take one text box. So in the text box, let's say, let me go to the Power BI updates. If I go and take copy of this, when I go and publish here, directly it is showing as a plain text. Initially also, if we paste, it will show as a plain text. Now you will see what was the new update in this text box. Okay, just a minute, let me expand the text box. So here there is some text. So actually the same text I copied from the Power BI blog, updates blog. So I highlighted in different colors, yellow, green, purple and red, some orange color. So and some bullet points also. Now what I will do, let me go and take a copy of this. Okay, let's go to the Power BI desktop. Let me paste it here. See, now here you can see the similar, see how I formatted here in this word, the same kind of thing, the same colors, the same font size, the same colors, everything. So this is very good update in this month updates. Fine. Now let's go to this page. Now the next one is visual level calculations. They are announced in this month update as a general availability, GA announcement. See, there is a dedicated video for visual level calculations in our YouTube channel. I would request you please go back and watch those videos. And in this video, I'll give you a high level overview. So what I'll do, let me go to my bike data. So from here, let me go and drag, let's say country, let's say sales. Okay, let me remove this. Let me take sales measure. Let me drag order quantity. So this is the order quantity. Okay, fine. Now here my objective is to see the each and every country percentage of contributing with respect to this total. It means this divided by this divided by this divided by this. This how it's possible by using the some traditional DAX functions, all or all selected or all accept. But here I am going to achieve this by using the visual level calculation. Now here you see we have only 3 values. Go to horizontal ellipsis, click on new visual level calculation, go and see here there are a lot of options. You can go and use custom, running sum, moving average, but my objective is to calculate the percentage of grand total. Let's click on this. Now here percentage of sales grand total. See, already they given a skeleton. Just from this you can go and select. First we are going and calculating the sales. So divide sales, this sales divided by this total sales, and axis. How you are going and calculating? Row wise. So here you can go and specify rows. Just a minute. You can go and specify rows. Now click on commit. Now here you can see this. Okay, let's go back. So let me expand this again. Let's go to horizontal ellipsis. Now I would like to see the same for order quantity also. Go to new visual level calculation, click on percentage of grand total. Now here order quantity, again here order quantity. Now I would like to calculate this in rows. So let me select rows. Now let's execute it. Okay, so it's so okay, let me rename this percent of quantity grand total. Okay, let's execute it. Now here if you see, we are seeing this to, let me move this to up. Now this is percentage of sales grand total. Now this is this one. Now this is this one. Okay, fine. Now here if you see, I need to convert this to percentage. Go to format settings, go to properties, click on this data format, and here you can select the percentage of sales grand total, and this should be in the percentage. Okay, now in the same way, let's go here. Let's change this to the percentage. Okay. So this is just an high level overview. If you need detailed video that is already presented in channel, you can please go back and watch those video. Now this is one update. Now in this only, I'll show you one thing. See here, this order quantity total 2,24,000. It is, if you sum this all values, you will get. So what if I would like to see, instead of sum, average? Right click on this, go to custom total calculation. Let's select average. See, now it is changed to the average. Now it is changed to the average. Now let me go on, click on this. Let me do it to sum. See, sum. Again, let me go here. Let me take it max. Max means this value should come. Yes, very good. So if you would like to don't show anything, go and select none. That's all. It will show blank. So there is some icon is showing. Again, right click on this, go here, reset it to default. This is one of the update in this month. Okay, fine. Now here what I will do, let me take a copy of this. Let me paste it here. So instead of this country, let me go and take let's say month number from the date master table. So now here you can able to see month from the date master table. So now let me decrease the width. Now here you can see in this what you can do. Let me go and take one new slicer. So the next update is, so this is actually, this is formerly we call it as a text slicer. Now they renamed it as input slicer. So here let me go and drag same month here. So now here what you can go and search. Let me put 2, click on this icon. So now here I can able to see second month sales. So I need to see more filters. For that, go to format settings, go to slicer settings, accept multiple values. You need to turn on this, accept multiple values. Now here 2. Now I need to see from 4 to 6. 4-6. Press enter. See, now you can see 4, 5, 6. Okay, very good. Now what if I need to see greater than or equal to 8? It means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5 months. Or else let me take from greater than or equal to 10. Greater than or equal to 10. It means it should include 10th month. Let's apply. See, 10, 11, 12. Let me close this. Again, I need this time only greater than 10. It means it should exclude 10th month. Okay, it should exclude 10th month. Click on this. Now here if you see 11th, 12th. So here the first thing is it is announced in general availability, and second thing is it should applicable for this kind of filtering options. Okay, this is one of the very coolest update in this month updates. Okay, fine. Now for this same what I will do, let me clear this filters. So here go to format settings. Let's select this chart, go to the layout. So here if you see, let me reset it to default. So this is currently fit to content. When I go and click grow to fit, see, if you have, see, when I drag, see, it will grow to fit. It will grow to fit. So now next, fixed width. See, the fixed default width is 90. Let me make it to 150. Okay, let me make it to 200. See, now here if you see here in this, what if I need to decrease this width? Just turn on this. So here it is killing the space, order quantity. Where was the order quantity? Here you can change this to, let's say, 150. See, again, this is, I need to increase more, this and this, sales grand total. Sales grand total, let me put 250. 250. Again, here, let me put percentage of grand total 270. See here also let me put 270. See now this is how you can customize the width of your table or matrix chart column. This is a one of the update from this month updates. Okay, fine. So this is in the desktop. Let's see one of the coolest update in this month which is presented in the services. Let's go to the services. See this is my services environment. Here there is a data region wise, categories wise we have segment wise sales. Now actually there is a option for users to explore this data. Click on this horizontal ellipsis, go to this explore this data. It is in the preview. Now here if you see, here we have subtotals, row subtotals, row grand totals, column subtotals, column grand totals. If you click on this drop down, just turn off this, you will see magic. Now see what happened. Row subtotals is turned off. Why? Here I turned off. Again let me go and turn on this. Let's go and turn off this. See now here you can see column totals turned off. Column totals turned off. This is one update. Now see now when I am going and analyzing this data, it is coming with the this format painting options. Means it is like background is a blue color, green, purple color. Now I need to reset it. Click on this horizontal ellipsis, just click clear formatting. See now it is reset to normal. So now if you would like to go and save, click on save. See now it is asking something. So but I don't want to save this. Let's cancel this. Again let's close this and let's click on don't save. This is one of the important update from this month updates. Okay, all right. So now here let me give you a quick recap. And before that what I will do, see I will share this link. See here if I scroll down, you will see what you can download the latest Power BI update and you can watch the Microsoft official YouTube video channel. And here you can see the same update. Okay, just see the best place is where you will get the correct information. It's Microsoft documentation. Here if you scroll down, see this is one of the update. This is one of the update. See this is set as landing page. Okay, all right. So this is all about today's video. I hope you all like this video. Please like, share, comment this video. Please subscribe Next Gen Data Aspirants Community YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching this video. Let's meet in another video.